Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. Most of you already know me. To all the new practitioners जिन्होंने हमें अभी join किया है, who are probably doing their first class, welcome, a special namaste to you. I hope your journey with Times Health Plus from here on goes amazing and you show up every day consistently with discipline. Let's go back, let's begin our practice. We start on the mat. Today's practice is all about spinal health. You're taking care of your spine. We will be moving spine freely in space in different positions to take care of the spine, to take care of every joint in the spine, every bone in the spine. We're just adding mobility, enhancing blood circulation, and overall strengthening and stretching the spine. बहुत ही सिंपल मूवमेंट्स हैं, फील गुड मूवमेंट्स हैं. यू विल एब्सोल्युटली एंजॉय द क्लास. For the first one, everyone, observe. I'm demonstrating. Just watch me first. Your feet will be hip distance. You will stand upright. We are just understanding a simple movement of the spine, extension and flexion. यानी कि आप धीरे से फ्लोर की तरफ फोल्ड होने की कोशिश करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द हेड, नेक, shoulders, upper back, middle back, lower back. You will loosen up your arms like this, okay? And then you will slowly keep folding, keep folding, keep folding. You can bend your knees. You'll stay here for a breath. And now you'll reverse it, okay? You will come up using the hip, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder, neck, and head. So if you observe, I'm teaching you, I'm asking you to articulate the spine. यानी कि एक जॉइंट के ऊपर हमें प्लेस करना है. स्टैकिंग सीखनी है. वन बाय वन यूर स्टैकिंग द होल बॉडी एंड यूर फोल्डिंग द होल बॉडी. इसे हम 5 राउंड्स के लिए बहुत ही धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. रियली टू एड नाइस मूवमेंट इन द स्पाइन. Let's begin, everyone. Face forward, feet hip distance. Start folding head, neck, shoulders, upper back, middle back, lower back, hip, knees release, reverse, hip, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulders, neck, head, and amazing. जैसे आप फोल्ड फॉरवर्ड करें, एक्सहेल. व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू कम अप, इनहेल. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई अगेन एवरीवन. फोल्डिंग 1 2 3 4 5. Coming up, 5 4 3 2 1. Relax, breathe. Again, everyone, let's go. Folding 1 2 3 4 5. Bend your knees. Coming up, 2 3 4 5. Relax, breathe. 2 more times, everyone. Continue. Folding in, 2 3 4 5. Coming up, 2 3 4 5. Amazing. Let's just do it one last time. Really trying to articulate your spine. We begin head, neck, shoulder, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips, knees, release. Coming up, knees, hips, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulders, neck, head, and relax. Notice how the spine feels a little more mobile, spine feels a little more movement worthy, ready for the movement. There's a little better blood flow in the spine. That was your first movement. इसे हम simply roll ups or roll downs कहते हैं because you're just rolling down and rolling up. Next up, everyone, we are understanding twisting of the spine and we will do this with the help of the ball. Okay, watch me carefully. You will try to go close to the wall, as close to the wall as possible. Okay, try sticking your toes to the edge of the wall. You'll try to straighten your left arm this way. So both hands will stay next to your chest and you will try to straighten your left arm, trying to keep the entire arm in contact. तो आप कोशिश करेंगे कि आपकी टिप ऑफ द फिंगर से लेके आपकी आर्मपिट तक there is full connection with the wall. And keeping that, you will start walking away from the arm. So अगर आपका left arm extended है, आप you will start walking away from the left arm and you'll start to twist your spine. Okay, let's do it once on the left, once on the right. इसे हम साथ में practice करेंगे. Everyone, let's go close to the wall this way. Hands next to your chest. Now we will straighten the left arm completely in contact with the wall. And you will now just try to walk away from the hand, from the arm, look away, walk from the feet, and stay there. Try your best to keep your armpit and your hand in contact. Look away, stay there. You can keep the other hand on your waist, everyone, okay? And keep opening up the chest, keep turning. Deep breaths. And slowly release, come back. Beautiful, everyone. Hope that felt great in the shoulder, in the bicep, in the spine. Same thing on the other side. Let's go. Let's stretch the right arm out this time, everyone. Fully in contact with the wall. And we'll start turning away. Away from the right arm, keeping your armpit connected to the wall. Keep walking away. Stay there. Hold. Deep breaths. And slowly release, come back, relax. That was one variation of spinal twisting with the help of the wall. These are great stretches for your shoulders, your biceps also. We'll do this again, everyone, with a slight change. थोड़ा सा variation करेंगे हम इसी same practice में. You will do the same twist, except that you will try to fold your arm 90 degrees. So instead of keeping your arm straight, you will try to fold it to a 90 degrees and we'll do the same twist. Okay, this will become slightly harder, requires a little more stretch from the shoulders. Let's practice. Let's come close to the wall, everyone. Stretch the left arm out completely. Keeping the elbow in contact with the wall, fold the arm, make a 90-degree angle this way, and you will try to walk away from the arm and you stay. Keep looking away, keep twisting the spine, hold. कोशिश करें everyone कि आपकी body wall के एकदम करीब हो, as close to the wall as possible. Deep breaths. And slowly come back center. Good job, everyone. Let's do the other side also. Hands next to your chest. Extend the right arm. Fold the right leg, 90-degree angle. And you will try to twist away. So my arm is this way. Okay, in case you're missing, I'm making a 90-degree. Turn away from the arm. You can close your eyes if you wish. You can place the other hand on your waist if you like. Stay. Deep breaths. And slowly, everyone, come back, relax and rest. These were two simple variations of twisting the spine, meanwhile also giving you a deep stretch and opening in the chest and shoulders. We will practice one more variation of a twist. Okay, so these are simple Kati Chakrasanas but with the help of the wall. Watch carefully, everyone. This time you will stand 1 foot away from the wall, feet hip distance, and you will face the wall away. So you will face the other side, okay? Your back is facing the wall. This time you will try to turn your chest towards the wall, placing your hands this way. ना यहाँ आपको कोशिश करनी है कि आपके फीट इस तरीके से वॉक इन नहीं होने चाहिए. You will make sure that your feet are facing the other way as you turn and you look towards the wall, hence twisting your spine. Okay, we'll practice it on both sides for 5 breaths each. Everyone standing 1 foot away from the wall. Feet will be hip distance. Inhale, grow that spine tall. And as you exhale, try to look towards the back wall, keeping the hands chest level. You look at the wall and you stay. Hold. Now, slight adjustment of the foot is okay, but you don't have to turn the foot completely. Keep your eyes closed and we breathe. Advanced practitioners, अगर आप और twist कर सके, go ahead. You can walk your hands further more and you can twist more. Stay. Try your best to keep your hip facing forward. Slowly coming back. Beautiful, everyone. 1 deep breath. Let's do the same thing on the other side, facing away from the wall. Gently turn towards the wall. Place your hands. Let the hip face forward. Let the chest face backward. Spinal twist. Hold. Deep breaths. Stay there. Slowly come back, everyone, and relax. These were some amazing twists for the spine. I hope you already feel better in your back. Last but not the least, everyone, remember to follow Times Health Plus on your social media handles so you're not missing out on any updates, information, reels, videos we are posting for you guys. I will now sign off. I will see you in the next class with the same energy, with the same spirit. Till then, you keep your spine up, you keep your posture erect, you maintain a big smile on your face, you stay polite, you stay kind to yourself and to every being around you, and you always stay grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.